Hi everyone, it's Bobby here from Bemunchie Online. Let me show you what we've done here for 211, the online fashion website. So first of all, you'll see the logo, it'll pop up on your screen as well. This was actually already designed from the customer, so she's already had this ready for her website, but as you can tell from the logo, it's just clean, simple, nothing too loud out on the actual logo itself. And the website branding that we've used is also here on your screen, so you can see the color schemes and everything else that we've used in place for the website. Now this website is actually built through WordPress, again custom designed, using WooCommerce as well. So it's got an online shop through the website, so as you can see the wish list icon, the cart icon, as well as the search icon in the top left. So briefly, just to go through the home page on what we've done, again the customer wanted to keep it very clean and simple, just to represent the brand and the actual company image as well. The home page layout is very minimalistic, as you can see going down here. Towards the bottom, you'll also notice again social media links are in place, quick link section, as well as a subscribe area where you also get 15% off. Now we can obviously build subscribe sections and other email marketing campaign and funnels for yourself and integrate them with the likes of MailChimp and ActiveCampaign as well. I'll also pop the links for them in the description below for the different packages that they come with. Now to go back to the top, you'll notice some of the main popular products are here in place. They're on an auto slider, so they'll go through the website itself for everything that's been listed in place. We've also added a button here for Shop Now, along with down here as well, going straight to the shop page on the website, and each product here is obviously linked to each individual product for the website. As you can see, we've also integrated different variations, so items that come in small, medium, large. Again, this can be done on multiple different styles of e-commerce websites, whether it's clothing, furniture and so on. We've also integrated multiple payment gateways such as ClearPay, PayPal, and even PayPal's Pay Later. And underneath you can also view featured products come within the website. So for example, you may have popular areas of a certain category in your own industry. We've also displayed it here for 211. And briefly, just to show you obviously on the shop page layout that we've done, we've put the best sellers at the top, going all the way down. So anything else, and obviously any more products that will get added would also appear here across this page. And again, it's kept very clean, minimalistic with the design layout, the color, even the fonts that are used throughout the website, again matching through all the images as well as the actual website overall, along with 4 features to show some selling points for the business website as well, again with little customized icons that are designed for 211. On the About Us page, again the design's kept very clean and minimalistic. You'll see a nice image that the customer's provided, that they've had shot with some nice balloons in the background. And again, the continue shopping also goes over to the shop page, so that it's always linked throughout the website for end users. I'll also show you that the website is mobile friendly. As you can see now, it's on a mobile view where everything is more compact and narrow. However, everything is broken down and aligned more correctly, so the same features that were going across are now going down. And again, the menu is also mobile friendly, so you can also click onto the mobile pages using a mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone, tablet or Android and so on. I've also added a quick video that we got back from Amel at 211 in regard to the service that we've provided for her, so be sure to have a look at that and let us know your thoughts on this e-commerce website. I'll also add in social media links for this site and the link to the actual website should you wish to purchase anything off of the website.
Hi, my name's Amel, and Bemunchie Online set up my website for me. Back in March, I started my own business back then, and I didn't have a clue what to do, how to start a website, how to do anything at all online. So Bemunchie has helped me all the way through from start to finish, getting back to me through emails really quickly, helping me set up the ClearPay, helping me do the discounts on the website. The website's amazing, I couldn't be happier with it. Bobby from Bemunchie has been really helpful, helping me through everything. Even once the website's been set up, I've been able to get in contact with them after. I'm a new clothing brand and I started up my business back in March. If you take a look at the website, it'll give you all the information, what you need. Have a look at the different clothes, the styles, what we've been doing. But I couldn't thank Bemunchie Online enough in helping me all the way through this, so thank you.